Ever dream of chiseled abs but dread complicated workouts? You might think 100 sit-ups a day is the answer, but is it? In this video, we're diving deep into the reality of doing 100 sit-ups daily. We'll uncover the surprising effects on your core, potential downsides, and whether it's the shortcut to a six-pack you've been searching for. So get ready to crunch some facts, not just your abs, and see if this daily challenge fits your fitness goals. Number 1. Building core strength and endurance. The rectus abdominis, obliques, and lower back muscles comprise your core. Strong core muscles provide a foundation for good posture, stability, and movement throughout your entire body. Daily sit-ups can be a valuable tool for building core strength and endurance in these key areas. Increased stability. A strong core helps stabilize your spine during everyday activities and exercise. This translates to better balance, coordination, and reduced risk of injury. Improved endurance. By repeatedly contracting and relaxing the core muscles during sit-ups, you increase their ability to sustain effort for longer periods. This translates to better performance in sports and activities requiring core engagement, like running or lifting weights. Enhanced strength. Daily sit-ups progressively challenge your core muscles, increasing strength and the ability to perform more repetitions or variations with proper form. Number 2. Improved posture and balance. Strong core muscles play a vital role in maintaining good posture. Daily sit-ups can significantly strengthen your core, including your abdominal muscles, lower back, and hips. This improved core strength helps hold your spine in proper alignment, reducing slouching and hunching. With better posture, you'll look taller and more confident, and experience less pain and discomfort in your neck, shoulders, and lower back. Furthermore, a strong core is essential for balance. The core muscles act like a central hub, connecting your upper and lower body and helping you maintain stability. Daily sit-ups can enhance your core's ability to transmit force and coordinate movement, improving balance and coordination. This translates to better performance in everyday activities, from walking and climbing stairs to participating in sports. Number 3. Reduced risk of injury and back pain. One of the most significant benefits of regular sit-ups is their role in preventing injuries and back pain. Our core muscles, including those targeted by sit-ups, act as a natural internal girdle for the spine. Strong core muscles provide stability and support, helping maintain proper posture and alignment. This reduces stress on the lower back, a common area for strain and injury. Additionally, strong core muscles can improve balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls and accidents. While sit-ups are beneficial, it's important to remember they are just one piece of the puzzle. A well-rounded core strengthening routine should also incorporate exercises that target the lower back and obliques. This holistic approach creates a strong and balanced core, providing maximum protection against injuries and back pain. Number 4. Engagement of multiple muscle groups. While sit-ups are primarily known for targeting the abdominal muscles, particularly the rectus abdominis, they don't work in isolation. The movement requires coordination and engagement from various muscle groups to execute effectively. Your hip flexors, like the iliopsoas, come into play as you lift your torso off the ground. The lower back muscles also work isometrically, providing stability and support for your spine throughout the exercise. Additionally, core muscles like the obliques work to rotate your torso during variations of the sit-up, like the Russian twist. This multi-joint, multi-muscle movement makes sit-ups a valuable tool for strengthening your core and improving overall functional movement. Number 5. Body fat burning and calorie expenditure. While sit-ups are great for core strength, they don't necessarily burn many calories. However, they can contribute to your overall calorie expenditure in a few ways. First, any muscle activity burns calories, and sit-ups work several muscle groups in your midsection. Additionally, building core strength can slightly increase your metabolism, which means your body burns more calories at rest. The real impact on calorie burning comes when you consider sit-ups part of a larger fitness routine. Combining them with cardio exercises like running, swimming, or cycling significantly boosts your daily calorie expenditure. This creates a calorie deficit essential for burning fat and losing weight. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for regular exercise, daily sit-ups, and a healthy diet to achieve your fat-burning goals. Number 6. Potential drawbacks of daily sit-ups. While daily sit-ups offer a range of benefits, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. Firstly, repetitive stress on the lower back can lead to strain or pain, particularly if proper form isn't maintained. This is because sit-ups primarily target the abs while placing significant stress on the hip flexors, which can pull on the lower back. Secondly, focusing solely on sit-ups neglects other crucial core muscles. A well-rounded core routine should engage the obliques, transverse abdominis, and lower back for optimal stability and function. Finally, daily sit-ups may not be the most efficient way to achieve a defined six-pack. Spot reduction, losing fat in a specific area, is a myth, and achieving toned abs requires a combination of exercise and a healthy diet to reduce overall body fat. Number 7. Importance of proper form and technique. While sit-ups are a familiar exercise, proper form is crucial to maximize benefits and avoid injury. Using incorrect techniques can strain your lower back, neck, and hips. Here's why proper form matters. Targeted muscle engagement. Focusing on controlled movements with proper form ensures your core muscles, specifically the rectus abdominis, are doing the work. This leads to a more effective workout and faster progress. Injury prevention. Improper form, like jerking your upper body or yanking your neck, puts unnecessary stress on your spine and joints. Maintaining a neutral spine and controlled movements throughout the sit-up minimizes the risk of injury. Long-term gains. You build strength and endurance efficiently by prioritizing proper form. This allows you to gradually increase difficulty and keep challenging your core over time, leading to long-term gains in strength and definition. Number 8. Integrating sit-ups into a balanced workout routine. While sit-ups offer a valuable core exercise, a well-rounded routine goes beyond crunches. To achieve optimal fitness, consider these strategies. Variety is key. Combine sit-ups with other core exercises like planks, Russian twists, and leg raises. This targets different muscle groups within the core, promoting balanced development and preventing overuse injuries. Strength training for the whole body. Don't neglect other muscle groups. Include exercises for your upper body, lower body, and back in your routine. This creates a strong foundation for overall fitness and improves daily activities. Cardio integration. Don't forget cardio. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. This burns calories, improves heart health, and complements your strength training. Number 9. Smart strategies for abdominal fitness. While daily sit-ups can be a valuable exercise, they shouldn't be the sole focus of your abdominal fitness plan. For a well-rounded core, consider incorporating exercises that target different muscle groups. This might include planks, side bridges, or Russian twists. Additionally, don't neglect proper nutrition. Spot reduction, losing fat in a specific area, is a myth, so maintaining a healthy diet is crucial for achieving a toned midsection. The key to abdominal fitness lies in a smart approach. Listen to your body and prioritize proper form over quantity. Aim for consistency with a varied workout routine, incorporating rest days for optimal results. Remember, a strong core goes beyond aesthetics. It contributes to overall stability, posture, and injury prevention. You can achieve a healthier and more functional core by employing these strategies. If you're new to exercise, consider starting with fewer repetitions and gradually increasing them. Combine sit-ups with a healthy diet and a well-rounded workout routine for even better results. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your experiences with sit-ups in the comments below. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more fitness content.